Morning, class.
Morning.
So, today we're going to learn about one of the most important parts of writing an essay, and that's making a good thesis statement. Can anybody tell me what a thesis statement is, maybe? Tori?
It's like the main theme of your essay.
Right, that's a very good answer. A thesis statement is the most important part of your essay because it serves as kind of a roadmap to lead your reader through the rest of your essay by telling them what you're trying to prove. So before we kind of get started on learning what a thesis is, has anybody here like watched basketball, maybe played basketball before? Awesome, all of you. So can anybody show me where the 3-point line is? Dan?
It's the big kind of middle point.
Right, it's this big arching curve. And so to learn this 3-point thesis tip that I'm going to be teaching you today, you're going to start here at the 3-point line, which is going to be your big overarching theme for your paper. In this case, to answer this prompt, our first part of our thesis is going to be UNC is the best team. That's the overarching theme of our paper that we're trying to prove. So the next part, if let's say, I'm going to write down UNC is the best team, and crumple it up, and take a shot. Oh, we're just going to pretend I made that I'm really good at basketball. So let's say like maybe I got fouled while I was taking that shot. Can anybody tell me like what would happen? Ashton?
You get to take free throws.
Right, I would get to take 3 free throws. And so the next step is on the free throw line is the how when you're writing your thesis. So the how is how you're going to prove to me that UNC is the best team. So can each of you write down maybe one how statement that would prove that UNC is the best team? Awesome. Now I want you to crumple it up and take a shot at it yourself. Awesome. Cool. So now I'm going to collect all of these and put them up there on the board. So the first one is that they've won a lot of games this season already. So they've won a lot of games. The second one is going to be that they have really tall and athletic players. And the last one is going to be that they've won national championships before. Awesome. So you have 3 pieces of evidence that are going to help support your thesis. So the last and most important thing is also going to be related to basketball. So let's say your team's down a couple points and you need a really easy shot to like wrap up the game. Can anybody tell me what a nice easy shot in basketball is? Tori?
A layup.
A layup, right. And it takes place right here close to the basket, and that's your last step. And kind of just like a layup in basketball, my coach used to always tell me, you never want to miss a layup. And just like that, you never want to miss this last step, which is the why. And it's telling your reader why it's important that you're making this argument. So, for our paper, like sometimes the why can just be a simple statement that answers the prompt. Could somebody like answer the prompt with the why statement for me? Ashton?
Because UNC is going to win the national championship.
Right. Or why is that UNC is going to win the national championship in order to answer the prompt. So when we put all these together, we have a nice thesis statement that would go something like this. UNC is the best team in the nation because they've won games already, they have a tall athletic team, and they've won national championships before. Therefore, they're going to win the national championship again this year. And that's your thesis statement for your paper. So in order to kind of remember these 3 steps, we're going to learn a chant that we use at UNC sometimes, which goes, U, N, C, UNC. Go, Heels, go. But we're going to like change it up a little bit. So the first part is going to go, what, how, why, what, how, why, thesis statement. Okay,
Okay.
cool?
All right.
So can you guys like join in on it this time? Awesome. So you're going to go, what, how, why, What, how, why?
Thesis statement.